The Variable Data Wizard, or VDW, in Digital Factory version 11 simplifies variable data management and customization by automating the replacement of key data sets found in a job. These data elements can include things like names, addresses, sequential numbers, or even images, making each created piece unique to individual needs. Variable data also allows for the serialization of items like labels, badges, barcodes, personalized documents, and more to be automated. VDW's template creation lets you create templates for production using a wide array of design elements and placeholders. These templates can be saved for future use, ensuring consistency and time savings on repeat jobs. With VDW, it's easy to import data from various sources. Whether it's from spreadsheets, databases, or even external files, the wizard seamlessly integrates with different data formats, allowing for easy data processing. For large-scale variable data projects, the wizard supports batch processing, enabling the generation of multiple personalized results in a single click. The data mapping and manipulation provides flexible mapping capabilities, allowing you to assign imported data fields to specific placeholders in the template. The wizard includes a comprehensive previewer, giving you the ability to review and verify the variable data output before sending it to your output device. This ensures accuracy and minimizes the risk of errors or mistakes. By automating the variable data process, the wizard significantly reduces manual effort and it helps save time and costs associated with redos, manual data entry, and labor-intensive tasks. This allows you to handle higher volumes of personalized jobs efficiently. Digital Factory's Variable Data Wizard empowers your business to efficiently manage and leverage variable data production for enhanced customization, accuracy, and productivity. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, the wizard is a valuable asset in any production process. Visit Catalog.com today to get started with a free trial and make your machines run better.